I'm Adam Epps, and I took the welding certification program here at SVHEC. The program lasted 10 months, and we started off in the classroom going over all the safety aspects of it from an OSHA standpoint, and then we went into welding program level 1, and we learned the basics of welding. Then we went into level 2, which was more in-depth into welding, and then level 3 was pipe welding. And out of each level, when we finished in the book, we went out in the lab and they demonstrated it for us, and then we had practice hands-on training as well. We learned how to use a acetylene torch, as well as the plasma cutter, as well as the gouger, and I got my welding certification for stick welding, MIG welding, and TIG welding. Our instructor was good. He works at Climate Control here locally, and he's got a lot of experience with the MIG welding. He was a huge help with us in that, as well as stick welding and TIG welding. And our other instructor, Kenny Connor, he's a huge help too, because he works at the Clover Power Plant. So he has a lot of experience with, especially stick welding for him. So they were both incredible. Last couple of days, a company called Boxing Materials out of Lynchburg came in and wanted to interview everybody that was interested in trying to get a job right afterwards. I'm not trying to brag or anything, but 2 hours after they left, they gave me a phone call interested because they saw my resume and they liked it. And I've been with them ever since, almost a year. And they hired me full-time from the summertime as a loader operator, as well as mechanic if something breaks. And in the wintertime, I work in the shop, and that's where I get a lot of my welding time in. And with Boxley, I'm doing a lot of welding, but I'm also doing a lot of other things too that I enjoy, as far as engine mechanic. Practically, I'm working on things I never thought I'd ever been working on. I would have never had this opportunity if it hadn't been for this welding program. I'd have never heard about Boxley.